Why black books?
And what else? This? No. No, not this please. No.
So when we started, we wanted to do something amazing with our notes. We had the content ready, but the format wasn't decided. So we didn't know how to provide those notes to the kids. Basically, we can say we didn't have a reference point.
Yeah, we didn't have the reference point, but we knew one thing. We always knew that what we did not want to provide to the kids.
What exactly was that?
Come, I'll just show you. ये थी वो चीजें जो हमें पता था कि हमें नहीं करनी है. Just look at this whole mess.
Yeah, the notes otherwise are very bulky and they are very verbose. इतना ज़्यादा लिखा होता है कि जिसकी हद नहीं मिलती.
इनको देख के पढ़ने की फील कहाँ आती है? इनमें basic aesthetics missing. These are not cool to study.
मुझे on the technical ground problem है जिस तरीके से कंटेंट गिवन होता है और कितना होता है. They mostly become extension and the true copy of the reference book. See, what notes are, basically notes are the stuff which you underline in a book. मैं देखता हूँ कि बच्चे नोट्स में अंडरलाइन कर रहे होते हैं. If you are underlining stuff in the notes, then it kills the purpose of providing notes, right? So they give you too much of the content in that notebook. That is the biggest issue.
We always knew what are notes.
What are notes? We
That-
knew
that is very clear.
we were
Yeah.
always clear about this fact that what are notes and what do we need to provide. ना? So जो दूसरी चीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा मिसिंग दिखती है एक और वो है कि स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता आपके नोट्स के पास.
Yeah.
जब आप पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे तो आपको क्या पढ़ना है. लाइक नेक्स्ट मंडे आपका अपने स्कूल में टेस्ट है और आप XYZ चैप्टर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग एंड व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर इन दैट चैप्टर. इफ आई ओपन द बुक इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू और द क्लास नोट्स, व्हाट आर यू एक्चुअली प्रिपेयरिंग.
भाई जो हम कॉल करते हैं एक रात पहले,
भाई क्या पढ़ना है,
भाई क्या पढ़ना है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक बता दो.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड देन इट गेट्स स्कैरी बिकॉज़ कोई ना कोई इंसान होगा जो आपको दे देगा कि भाई ये तूने पढ़ा है, भाई ये तूने पढ़ा है, और आपने वो पढ़ा नहीं होता. देन इट गिव्स यू गूज़बम्प्स कि मुझे ये भी नहीं आता.
Then we ask at least 4 more people.
Yeah.
क्या पढ़ना है?
And it only worsens the situation. It
Yeah.
only one day before the examination you get to know कि यार ये टॉपिक तो मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं पढ़ा.
Correct.
Forget कि पेपर के लिए. And one most important thing, I don't know why these institutes do that, कि किसी भी एक इंस्टीट्यूट के मैंने कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नोट्स नहीं देखे. किसी एक इंस्टीट्यूट का एक नोट्स में एक अच्छाई होती है, दूसरे में हो सकता है दूसरी बात अवेलेबल हो. सो किड्स कीप रनिंग अराउंड थ्रू आउट द ईयर कि इसमें से ये उठा लें, उस नोट्स की वो कॉपी कर लें, इस नोट से ये इनके यहाँ के ये नोट्स अच्छे थे, उनके यहाँ के वो नोट्स अच्छे थे. सो वी वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एट वन स्पॉट.
Yeah, I remember when I did my eco, तो मैक्रो के नोट्स हम कहीं से लेते थे,
Yeah.
माइक्रो के कहीं और से.
एग्जैक्टली यही चीज केमिस्ट्री में जाती है कि किसी के ऑर्गेनिक की अच्छे आ रहे हैं, किसी के इनऑर्गेनिक के आ रहे हैं.
अरे इसमें क्या फैंसी है?
You asked me now why black books. Here's why.
So black books are basically designed to maximize the efficiency of your preparation. But before we explain that, we need to first understand how do we approach the examination preparation at the first place. Let's say next Monday you have your Monday test coming or school test coming or any examination coming of XYZ topics. How will you approach your preparation for that? You just start looking into your notes, reference books, NCERT, read mindlessly. In that case, what happens is that those topics which you understand, you do them 5 times, and those topics which are already on blind spot, remain on blind spot, you end up forgetting them. So that's where we have developed the structure of it. Primarily, I'm going to talk about physics. The course content in physics, for example, is divided into 2 parts. The core consists of derivations, definitions, NCERT questions. These are the 4 most important things where you need to begin. You need to first do them, make sure that none of them are left behind before going on to the next stage, which is called numerical. how does Black Book help you in that? So, as far as core is concerned, we have made the list. For example, here is the list of your definitions of a chapter. So, you are given with all the statements you are supposed to know. So, while preparing, you can tick them one by one and make sure that none of the statements are left behind. This is also primarily going to be a tool in the hands of your parents, because they can also check that which ticks are there and which topics are not ticked, so you get to know and they get to know what topics are yet to be prepared. Once you are done with this definition and theory part, you can then move on to the derivation part of it. So here are the list of all the derivations of the given chapter. You can just tick them and make sure that none is left on your blind spot. They can just look into the list, ask you any derivation which you haven't ticked and why you haven't ticked, or whatever you have ticked, they can just ask you to derive on the spot, and your body language will tell them whether you understand that definition or derivation nicely or not. Followed by our NCERT questions. As we all know, all my physics students know that NCERT questions we have included in the Black Books. So here are your NCERT questions. I make it a point that none of the NCERT questions are left. So this gives you enough practice of the whole content. And then comes numerical. For that, we already send you assignments. Lots of questions of those assignments we do in the class. You can just go through those questions and revise them again and again. And then this is followed by the test paper preparation, for which we send already a lot of test papers, and you can go through papers along with solutions.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
इसी को मत देखते रहो, उधर भी देख सकते हो।
स्पॉट दादा,
ये perfect है। No, not this please.
Mic testing, tape along with the tissue paper.
बाल ठीक है? Makeup दादा? I want to give the kids the notes. So
मजा नहीं आ रहा।
into action.
एक सेकंड, क्या बोलना है exactly? When we started, what did we not have? दरवाजा पहले से कर गया, so मेरी आंखें नहीं।
ऐसे ठीक हो ना? Action.
मुझे हंसी आ रही। Done?
Action.
So this
Take 5. Action. बात खत्म हो गई। यार वो सब ठीक है, बच्चे क्या कह रहे हैं इस बारे में? बच्चों से पूछ लेते। चल।
This is Black Book.
Best guidebook ever.
Helps us leave no topic while studying.
Was my survival through high school physics.
Is a way of combining education with fun.
Is what got me through.
So it just makes it a lot easier to memorize.
books to make learning more interesting.
The vast source of knowledge.
This is the Bible for all science students.
The book that makes learning a fun experience.
Guiding angel in disguise.
It was making my journey very easy.
It's a great source of utility. It contains all the data you need.
Black Book is like Maggie, instant knowledge.
It makes it very easy for us to study.
Has a very useful and practical approach.
Highlights all the main points.
Everything in one place.
It's extremely helpful.
The comprehensive guide.
It's just like the Bible.
Expresses ideas clearly.
Very well structured. Very resourceful.
Designed very well.
Helpful for the exams.
You're good to go.
It's quite interesting.
It's extremely useful.
Really helpful.
So helpful. Self-sufficient.
Perfect book.
Very user-friendly.
Awesome. It has it. Very helpful.
It's amazing. Very helpful.
Happy.
Accurate.
Informative.
It helps us.
It's awesome.
Very helpful.
Helps me.
Just the book you need.